Right back up. Few showers in the morning, mainly near and north of I-20, but in the afternoon, we may see a few peaks of sun that'll help get our temperatures into.
Welcome back to Get Motivated Fishing. This episode, we're on the return for revenge. Net check. Best soft plastics in the game by Franken Lures. Check. Fishing rod. Check. Spider wire. Tackle bag. Check. All right, guys. This episode might be just me focusing more so on this tree right here in front of me because that's where they hang at. I might have to cast this motherfucker at least 20 times in order to get a bite. Got my net ready. Let's see if we can't get on them. Y'all stay tuned. So far, no luck. So we're gonna head over to the train track bridge, see if we can't get on them. Stay tuned, let's go. Welcome back, guys. We at the train track bridge, and I had just got a thump right here. Oh, got him. Yes, sir. Got him. Come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got ourselves a nice ass bass. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Never give the fuck up. You heard me? I missed him once, but I got his ass the second time. Shit. Solid bass, guys. He's not the one that we was going after, but he'll do. Let's see if there's one more hanging. Let's go. Yes, sir. Got him on the Frankenstein Lures speed worm. Shout out to him. Y'all go follow him. I'll leave his @ name in the video. Right in his nose. Let's go.